What is up, guys, and welcome back, and happy new year. So there's going to be a lot going on with the channel and things I'm doing around the shop for the new year, and I'm already getting started on that, but I'm going to talk a little bit more about that in a little bit. But I hope you guys got to bring in the new year right with family, friends, whoever, the way you wanted to. And if you're overseas, my heart goes out to you guys. You know, hopefully you guys get home safe and get to celebrate next year, you know, the right way than being overseas. But already I am having a problem with the bike starting from last year. So I haven't fixed it completely yet. I probably should have had my gremlin bell on the bike. This little thing. Yep, my little gremlin bell or guardian bell, whichever one you want to call it, is not on the bike anymore. That's probably why I had this little problem, or little problems coming up. I didn't really realize that I was missing my guardian bell. I'm gonna put that down because it dingling like that is gonna get annoying for you or me. Now, the little problem I'm talking about is I found this little wire pulled out because I've been trying to trace down an electrical issue. The little problem would come up on the speedometer. Now, if I turn this over, it's not going to show it right now, but I would have a little error message that would pop up on my speedometer and it would come and go. So that's been really, really annoying. I mean, extremely annoying, because trying to track it down, it hasn't been like a loose ground or a frayed wire where a fuse is popping. Normally, if a fuse pops, I can track it to that specific area, but I've been going through the codes, I've been going under the seat, you get a little vibration, sometimes it'd come, it'd go, so not really a great thing. So what I did is picked up some pins and a toolkit to make this a lot easier, because getting those pins or those wires in and out of that connector are a pain. I hate using a paper clip because I usually end up hurting myself more with a paper clip. So hopefully this makes it a whole lot easier. So let's get this wire back in the connector. That way the bike is ready for the rest of the year. And then I'll talk more about what the channel is looking like for this year. And I'm excited for this year. Last year has been a good year for me. Let's make this one even better. So let's get it fixed. Well, I got that problem fixed and my guardian bell on the bike. And if you ever come across a bus error, it has to do with electrical problem, whether it be a wire pulled, something with the ECU, ABS, security module, but tracking that down can be a royal pain. And it was, but I got that fixed and I got my guardian bell on, or gremlin bell, whichever one you call it. And a gremlin bell, guardian bell is to protect your bike, to protect you, ward off evil spirits, and it has to be gifted to you by somebody. You can't go buy one and put it on your bike because it, well, if you believe in it, that's not the way it works. You need a family member, a good friend, somebody that cares about you, go buy you one. Well, I had a spare one that I hadn't put on the bike. And no, I did not go buy it myself. My wife had got it for me. Now it's on the bike. So hopefully for the rest of the year, the bike will be sailing. No electrical problems, no other problems. Now we can get into what this channel is looking like for this year, and I'm excited about it. I want to start doing more live streams, connecting with you guys, as well as leaving in the comments down below what kind of content you want to see on the channel. That way I can bring you guys the best possible content I can. I plan on doing more stuff around the shop, like building some custom parts for the bike. I'm getting into CNC machining, which is an experience on its own. I am limited because of the CNC I have. I can't make like gas caps or anything like that. But you might have seen I did put out a reel on my first part that I made, powder coated, and put on the bike. I am getting some more powder coating stuff so that way I can do 2-stage powder coating. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know. If not, I won't show as much of that because then, that'll help me out and that's what you guys don't want to see. So again, leave down in the comments what you would really like to see off the channel. I hope to bring you guys more about the bikes that I have and performance-wise with them, because my biggest thing, especially with my bagger, is longevity. I built that bagger for travel and for longevity. So getting into the travel part of things, I plan on being in Daytona. That is the first event of the year. I love going down to Daytona, getting into warm weather, reconnecting with friends, reconnecting with you guys if you're down there. And if you're going, let me know. But if you don't follow me on my Instagram, go over there, follow me, because I'll post stories and reels of what's going on pretty daily while I'm down there. So if you want to reach out and hang out with me while I'm down there, let me know. I would enjoy that. I like connecting with you guys, chatting. The other thing is I want to start doing other small rallies. I love small rallies because then I get more one-on-one time with people. I'm not so spread out. We're all kind of in one campground and it just makes it easy and they're just fun. Truly are. And I've been to the Stubborn American Party 2 times in a row and absolute blast. But with it changing its dates, I don't know if I'm going to make that one this year. If I can, I will. But more than likely, that one's not going to happen this year. And I'm sad that I won't because that's always a good time. I've had issues with going out there, not actually at the campground, but getting there and the year before leaving the campground. So that's been an experience on its own of little issues, nothing major. But the plan though with the bigger rallies like Daytona is not really show Daytona because last year I went down there for a week, covered a lot of the stuff happening. I want to show more the roads that are around the rally and places. Because that way, if you go down there and it's not during the event, hey, this was an awesome place to go. That's what I want to give you guys. Because not all of us like going to a big rally for all the people. We don't really care about
it's so many people.
Vendors as much, So that's where I want to show you more of the roads. Yeah, I'll still show you some of the vendors that are down in Daytona. But I'm sticking away more of that and what's around there, like riding A1A up to St. Augustine. And St. Augustine is an awesome place. I got to experience that, actually stay in St. Augustine this last year. So I want to show you guys that. Now, but let's have a good year and kick this off right, building this channel, connecting with you guys. But I hope you guys have a good one. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys next time.